Hi everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Welcome sa Liluna Tarot. So, this is your reader, Maria. So, kamusta? Matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-upload kasi meron lang tayong mga inasikaso saka may inayos lang po. Okay? So, for tonight, we are going to do a general reading or collective reading. So, wala tayong card ngayon. Wala tayong pile, I mean. So, this is a general collective reading whether mag-resonate ka dito or not. Okay? So, yung question natin is ano yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng tao pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo? Okay? Ano yung gustong-gustong sabihin sa'yo ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo? So, pwedeng merong tayong mababanggit na maging trigger warning sa inyo. Okay? So, paalala lang, this is a reading only. Okay? General reading. So, pwedeng may mabanggit tayong negative, pwedeng puro positive. Okay? So, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Okay. Actually, we're going to use a Island Time Wellness. Okay. Actually, this is a Love Oracle card, pero kukuha tayo ng card dito, titingnan natin yung energy. Okay. We are based on energy of the card. Okay. Kung ano ba yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo. Okay. So, collective. Huwag niyong pansinin if ever na mamatay yung candle natin kasi paubos na siya. Okay. So, asahan nyo na magkasunod tong video na to na general reading or collective general reading. Okay? So sisikapin ko pong mag-upload ulit ng sunod-sunod para sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Maraming salamat doon sa patuloy na nagko-comment. Nababasa ko po yun. Hindi lang ako nakakapag-react. Pero nababasa ko yung comment ninyo. Okay? Maraming salamat guys. I really appreciate yung sa mga nagko-comment yung patuloy na nanonood nung channel ni Luna. Malaking bagay po yun na nakikipag-interact kayo. Okay? By the way, ilalabas ko na po tomorrow yung link kung saan kayo makapagpabook ng 30 minutes reading for only 100 pesos. Okay, so limited slot lang po iyon per week. Okay, kaya grab nyo na yan guys. 100 pesos lang for 30 minutes reading. So 6 card yon, 6 card to pull yon. Okay. So pipili lang kayo kung about sa love, about sa career, or about sa finances. Okay, so let's start. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo? Okay, sa akin collective. Ano yung gustong sabihin nila sa'yo, pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo? Again, trigger warning. So, pwedeng negative yung makukuha, pero wag ninyong dibdibin, okay? So, stab in the back. Heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking, attack. Cupid's arrow, have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting, hesitation. Oh. For some of you, first na nakuha ko dito sa card, okay, sa first two cards na nakuha natin is some people sinasabi na, again general to, so marami ang nanonood, so it can be mag-resonate sa'yo to. You are in a heartbreak right now, or you can be a heartbreaker. Okay? You can be a heartbreaker. Pwedeng masakit ka magsalita. Pwedeng you are a good looking person and you are causing heartbreak to, if you're the if feminine, you are causing heartbreak to your suitors, especially men, okay? Or if you are the masculine, you are a heartbreaker and you are causing heartbreak to women, okay? So it can be, you can be deceptive, yun ang sinasabi nila, okay? If you're really good looking, they say na ginagamit mo yung looks mo to be deceptive or para maakit, makuha, pumunta sa yung pabor nung prospect mo. Okay? Um, some people say also na ano ka, na you are very mapili. Okay? You have standards when it comes sa love. Okay? Pwedeng magaling kang magsalita. If you're masculine, magaling kang magsalita, magaling kang kumuha ng loob ng babae. Okay, with the Cupid's arrow here. Okay. You could be in a dating right now. Okay. Nakuha ko na for some of this is an ex. Okay, na may gustong sabihin sa'yo pero hindi niya masabi sa'yo. And nakuha ko lang yun ha. And for some of you, this ex is not over you. The runner, o diba? Runner in a codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, listening to ego, o diba? Egoistic. Some people say that since you're a good-looking person, whether you're a woman or a masculine or a man, you're so full of yourself, okay? So, alam mong good-looking ka, alam mong maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo, okay? Sinasabi ng iba na pwedeng nagpapaasa ka daw, okay, you left them hanging, parang gano'n. Tapos, punta ka na naman sa another prospect. Kumbaga, parang, parang inaano mo lang sila, nagpapakita ka ng motibo pero hindi ka naman seryoso. Okay? The snake. Again, stab in the back and the snake. Competition, enemy, clever. O, di ba clever? Malicious, look over shouldered. O, di ba? Malicious. Okay? Malisyoso. Pwedeng, if you're a guy, some guys or your friends specifically or your same gender, sinasabi nila na pwedeng yung mga prospect nila na gusto nilang ligawan is sa'yo nagkakagusto, whether you are a guy or a feminine, sinasabi nila na sa'yo nagkakagusto yung prospect nila. Okay? And you are a heartbreaker. Hindi mo naman siniseryoso. Kumbaga, bibigyan lang ako ng example if dalawang magkaibigan, magkumpare, o magbarkada, and yung kaibigan mo is may gusto siyang babae, pero siguro lagi kayong magkasama, may gusto siyang babae, pero yung girl is sa'yo nagkagusto. So, gustong-gusto nung guy yung babae, pero sa'yo nagkagusto, pero ang ginawa mo, hindi mo naman sineryoso. Parang ganun. Ganun yung nakukuha kong energy. Clock. Need time, takes time, in time, cycle, time to heal, progress. Okay? So, some people or person saying na nasaktan ka before kaya nananakit ka. And, pwedeng sinasabi nila na hindi ka pa seryoso makipagrelasyon, wala pa sa plano mong makipagrelasyon. Some people say also na you can be toxic, okay? Um, you take your time, okay? Kaya siguro hindi ka pa nagsiseryoso, you are, kumbaga parang weighing options, parang ganon. Kaya sinasabi ng iba na, kasi nga, po pwedeng you're a very good looking person, okay? And sinasabi nga nung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na you can choose what you want, who you want to be with in a relationship. Kasi maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pero if you don't want the other person, po pwedeng nanggo-ghost ka rin. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Okay? O pwedeng nanggo-ghost ka, hindi ka na lang basta nagpaparamdam, parang ganun. If you're a masculine, most of the woman, ito yung um, gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo. Pero syempre, hindi nila masabi sa'yo. Hindi nila ma-voice sa'yo. Okay? So, let's see. Ano pa ba yung gustong sabihin sa'yo nung mga tao pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo? Ah, meron din ako nakuha dito na sabi nila, okay, most of them sinasabi na pabago-bago ka. Pabago-bago ka, po pwede ng mood, pwedeng, po pwede rin dumadaan sa glow up, mas lalo nagiging good looking, parang ganon. Kasi diba when the snake is shedding skin, diba? Let's see. Let's see, ano pa yung gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo, pero hindi nila masabi sa'yo. This is a 9 of Swords, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O, diba? 9 of Swords. So, there is someone na nasaktan mo. I'll become honest sa inyo, guys. Kung sino man sa inyo yung merong nasaktan na person. Okay. Stab in the back. Ulitin ko, stab in the back. The snake is here. The runner. Meron kang ginost. Meron kang ginost na someone. This person is left hanging, crying, okay? Or in a anxiety. Kung sino man yun kung merong nasaktan dito, yung person na nasaktan nyo is nagkaroon ng anxiety. Nagkaroon ng sleepless nights. Okay? Na stress. Okay? Meron akong nakukuha, guys. Bakit meron akong napipick up na meron kayong nasaktan. I don't know bakit ganun yung nakukuha ko. Wow. 10 of Pentacles. This can be a family member, a mother, father, sibling, auntie, cousins, basta in a family, or this can be a wife or a live-in partner, a long-term relationship, okay? O, 'di ba? Ace of Cups. O pwedeng you show ipinakita mo dito sa person na 'to na you like him or you like her or vice versa, na gusto niyo yung isa't isa, then biglang someone is ghost, nawala, nag-run sa connection kasi whether takot makipagrelasyon, takot sa mas deeper connection, takot hindi ko alam, takot matali, takot na sa responsibility, okay, with the Ace of Cups. For some of you, um, this is a newer connection, not much deeper pa, yung iba sa inyo, and then nag-run dito yung isa sa inyo, whether ginos yung other person, hindi nagparamdam kasi merong deep issues pa or someone is taking his or her time, okay? Kaya ang tingin nung other person is deceptive. Ikaw, okay? So vice versa kasi po pwedeng na-in love naman talaga kasi isa't isa or merong feelings dito kaso someone is afraid to have a deeper connection to other person or yun nga, sabi ko nga matali. Yun na lang yung pinaka-specific word na sinasabi ko. O, di ba? Ace of Pentacles. No. So, this is a new person. Yung ba sa inyo, this is a new connection, new person. Let's see. This is a new connection for me. Kasi new relationship, new beginning, new romance. May someone here na hindi tumanggap ng love offer or hindi tinanggap yung ino-offer ng other parties, whether ikaw to or yung person na nakuha natin yung takot tumanggap kasi may issues, may deep issues pa from the past sa sarili, taking her time, okay? Hindi pa healed sa nangyari and someone feels deceptive yung other person, nasaktan mo yung other person. Kasi, ayan no, 5 of Cups. Someone is sad over the situation. Kung meron mang na-ghost dito, kasi someone is not ready. Okay? Someone is grieving or regretful. Someone is na trauma or someone still not recovering from the past situation. Kaya nag-run, kaya ng ghost, kaya taking his or her time pa, ayaw pang makipag-commit. Pero, pinakita niya, or nabakita siya ng sign na interested siya dun sa other person. Whether ikaw to, o yung other person, Let's see. Okay. Wow. Nine of Cups. Someone saying na selfish yung other person. Um, Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment yan, pero can be selfish, okay. Six of Swords. Someone wants to apologize kasi nasaktan niya yung other person. Or pwedeng tingnan mo, lumabas na yung Ten of Swords. Nasaktan. There is an ending here. Feeling ng other person, yung isang person is binitray mo siya if you're the one who ghosted this person, if you're the one left hanging itong person na to, if you are the one na nag-run sa connection, someone feeling betrayal, okay? Andito na naman yung backstabbing, okay? Stab in the back. So, po pwedeng someone is talking ill. Okay? Po pwedeng this person is talking ill or talking shit about you, or you are the one who is talking shit or talking ill about this person. Kasi nga, syempre, siguro, nakikarried away siya because of what happened. So, meron akong nakukuha na po pwedeng ikaw yung nang-ghost dito and this person is nagalit kasi pinaasa mo lang siya. You left hanging. O pwedeng sinuyo ka nitong person na to or hinintay ka tapos bigla niyang malalaman na parang bigla mo siyang ginost, bigla hindi ka na nagparamdam, bigla hindi mo na siya kinausap. Okay? Escaping, 'di ba? Someone may nag-escape dito. May umalis, may nagtago, may hindi nagparamdam. Okay? Let's see. May conflict. So, may pag-aaway, may hindi pagkakaintindihan. Five of Wands. Okay? May hindi pagkakaintindihan. Siguro, hindi ka naging, if you're the one na nasa side ng ikaw yung may kasalanan doon sa other person, hindi ka nagsabi ng totoo sa kanya, siguro sinabi mo na seryoso ka pero you are talking to other people or you are, alam mo yon, entertaining other people pa. Kasi you are the one who is taking your time. You are the one who is not ready for a serious relationship. You are the one who is not ready for a commitment pa, for an engagement, for a marriage, or anything. Okay? So, merong pag-aaway akong nakikita dito. Kaya someone is nagalit. Feeling betrayed. Okay? Kasi nasaktan siya. Someone feels bitter kasi feeling niya pinaasa mo lang or vice versa ulit. Okay? Marahil alam mo na to na nangyayari to or nararamdaman mo and you want to apologize for the person na nakukuha natin or this person wants to apologize to you. If this person is nag-run sa connection ninyo, niloko ka niya or itong person na to is nag-entertain pa ng other person bukod sa'yo, okay? Siguro gusto nitong mag-sorry. Kasi alam naman niya sa sarili niya na hindi tama yung ginawa niya. Siguro hindi siya nagbigay or nagpaliwanag ng side niya na hindi pa siya ready sa commitment. Okay? So, let's see. Kasi itong person na to is maigo. Okay? Maigo tong person na to. So, ibig sabihin, mataas yung tingin nito sa sarili nito. Okay. Queen of Cups. Okay. So, pwedeng, this is a Queen of Cups or you are the Queen of Cups. Kung sino man yung niloko dito, pwedeng yung niloko dito is a Queen of Cups. Very nurturing, very loving. Mapagpasensya, very matured emotionally. Pero sensitive kasi ang Queen of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, kapag very intuitive din ng Queen of Cups. Kapag alam niya kapag nagsisinungaling ka or hindi ka nagsasabi ng totoo. Very intuitive ang Queen of Cups. Okay? Very sensitive din also. And very loyal. So, po pwedeng loyal tong person na 'to doon sa other person na nanloko. Kaya sobra siyang nasaktan. Kasi sa kabila nung ginawa niyang, pag-intindi, okey, romantic din kasi ang Queen of Cups. So, po puwedeng magaling talagang magsalita 'tong kung sino man yung nanakit dito or ng ghost or ano, magaling kasi siyang magsalita kaya siguro, nadala din niya yung Queen of Cups kasi there is a Cupid arrow here. Cupid arrow is nagkamabutihan, nagkaintindihan, what I mean is may emotions. May emotions din kasi ako nakikita dito. Kaya there's a big possibility na talagang naramdaman ng other person na binitray siya, na niloko lang siya, na pinasakay lang siya. Parang gano'n. Okay? So, kung kayo yun guys, alam nyo na yung dapat ninyong gawin, apologize, okay? Kasi hindi maganda yung ano, yung pinaglalaruan natin yung damdamin ng ibang tao. If you are the one ha, na nang-ghost, nagpaasa, okay? Queen of Cups and bottom of the deck is Emperor. Can be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, okay? And water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, meron din tayong air sign na nakita dito. So, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Earth sign. Okay. So, yun yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng ibang tao. And specifically, this person. Lalo na lumabas sa general collective reading mo. Collective. Okay? So, may specific dito na energy na malakas. Okay? Na nasaktan mo, po pwedeng na-ghost mo, or vice versa. Po pwedeng itong person na to yung nang-ghost, okay, and want to apologize sa'yo. Okay? If you're the water sign, and this is a fire sign. So, titingnan natin kung ano pa yung mapupull nating card. Hmm, tingnan nyo this is a collective. Kung ano yung gustong sabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo. Pero, at the end, bumagsak pa rin siya sa love. Okay? Sa love reading. Kasi someone, energy is, nangunguna dito sa reading natin. Mga negrito gustong mag-sorry. Gusto mag-apologize. Running away. Talaga may runner dito. Someone is running in a connection. Lumayo. Hindi nagparamdam. Mm-mm. Someone is running away. So, titingnan natin. Kuha tayo dito sa ating mix card ng some clue pa. Sige, titingnan natin. Makakuha pa tayo ng some clue. Let's see. Let's see. Toxicity. Patterns bound. Toxic. Kasi 'di ba runner and chaser. So there is a toxic here, toxicity. Someone don't want to bound. Okay, or someone is bound to a pattern when it comes in a relationship. So po pwede nga kasing hindi pa nahihil yun, yung kung ano man yung pattern within yourself or within this person. Racing. Oh my gosh. I cannot. Runner is here. Ten of Swords is here with the I'm sorry, Six of Swords is here, which means is a transition, escaping, running away, and racing, running, avoiding. So someone um intentionally run away with the other person or avoiding the other person. Pag sinabing intentionally, sinasadya. Talagang umalis, nag-run, lumayo. Okay? Let's see. Love. So this is about love. So there is love between the two of you pero someone is merong issue. Kaya naging toxic yung connection. Someone is may love kasi tandaan niyo Cupid's arrow is here and love card is here. So ibig sabihin you other each other, someone is or merong emotion sa isa't isa. Pero po pwede ring enchantment or parang inakit lang. So, someone feels na inakit mo lang yung other person tapos hindi mo naman sineryoso. Parang ganon. Pinaibig mo lang in Tagalog. Pinaibig mo lang yung other person pero hindi mo naman sineryoso. Past. Di ba? Someone still suffering. O pwedeng this happened in your past or this is a past person or o pwedeng matagal na nangyari to or yung nangyari na um, na pang-ghost is in the past. Meron na ako nakita, matagal na nangyari to. Iba sa inyo. Desire, lust, sexual chemistry. So, someone is lustful or parang, ayun nga, ayaw magseryoso. Diba? When you're lustful and you want some sexual connection lang over someone, you don't want to involve emotions. Ayaw mo maging seryoso. So, parang ganon. So, hamster wheel, surviving daily hustle. Okay. So, someone is nag-focus na lang sa money. Okay. Para maagaw yung attention or makalimutan yung nangyari from the past. So, surviving our hamster wheel. Okay. Bottom of the deck is today, present, now, in the moment. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, um, your focus right now, whether ikaw to or yung other person, your focus right now on your finances, on your job. Okay? At hindi ka muna nagpo-focus sa love life dahil nga dito sa person na to, pwedeng nagka-trauma ka, pwedeng umayaw ka muna na makapag-date, na mag-focus sa love, parang ganon. Okay? Kasi nga, napupunta ka sa toxic. Okay? Basta someone is nagka-trauma, nasakta ng sobra doon sa nangyari. Kaya ayaw na muna mag-focus sa love. Iniba muna yung yung focus. Hindi muna sa relationship. Okay, so ano yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo ng mga tao? Yun, someone is sinasabi na po pwedeng if you're the one na may kasalanan na ikaw yung nag-run away, you're a runner, you're a toxic, mahilig ka lang magfa-fall, mahilig ka lang mag-enchant, pero hindi mo naman siniseryoso, whether ikaw to or yung person na nakukuha natin na nanakit sa'yo. Okay, so take what's resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. So asahan ninyo, meron tayo ulit panibagong upload. And abangan ninyo yung link kung saan kayo mag-avail ng 100 pesos, 30 minutes, 6 full card reading. Okay, so abangan ninyo guys, ipopost ko yon. So I hope medyo marami-rami kayong makapagpabook. Okay, kasi paunahan lang ng slot. Okay? So, maraming salamat and I do apologize again kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload. Babawi ako sa inyo guys, promise. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Happy Thursday sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And this is Maria and this is La Luna Tarot. Bye!